Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to delete duplicates on iPhone. This is a new feature for iOS 16, so make sure you're fully updated. The first step is to go to your photos. You'll want to go to Albums, and under Utilities, tap on Duplicates. On some cases, you might not see this option, maybe because you just updated it or you haven't yet. But if you do, proceed to the next step. To delete, just go and tap on Select. You can select all or either select specific ones. After selecting, tap on Merge. As it says in the description, all the duplicate images will leave one duplicate behind, which is the best quality, and delete the others, saving you a ton of space. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.